Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation, we will see the BCD arithmetic operations. BCD stands for binary coded decimal. So before proceeding to direct addition and subtraction of the BCD numbers, first of all we need to understand the rules behind the BCD addition. So let us start from the BCD addition. The first and very simple rule is we are going to perform simple binary addition. Next to it, if the sum obtained is less than or equal to 9, then it is a valid BCD number. But what will you do if the sum or the answer is greater than 9? If the answer is greater than 9, then you need to add 6 to the answer. Otherwise, if there is a carry generated in the addition of two BCD numbers, still you have to add 6 or 0110 in the binary format to the answer to get the respective correct answer. And there is also one thing, if carry is generated after the addition of 6, simply add the carry to the next row. We will see the respective example for this one. So let us start with a simple example. Let's say we need to add 8 plus 9. So we all know that the basic answer is 17 in decimal format. But if you will try to convert these numbers into binary coded decimal, if I will code these decimal numbers 8 and 9 into binary and then add them, the rules will be different. So let us try this one. So 8 in the 4-bit pattern, I will write 8 as 1000 plus 9 I will write as 1001. So this is simple binary representation of 8 and 9, and simple binary operations we need to perform. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0, 0. Now here 1 plus 1 goes to 0 and carry generated. Now this extra carry is generated, then rule number 3 you can say, an extra carry is generated, then it's a invalid BCD. So what you need to do, you need to add 6 to the respective answer. So your answer is 0001. So you will add 6. So I will add 6 in this answer, that is 0110, and the answer will be 1110, and this carry will be taken as it is here, and it is completed in the 4-bit bit format. So this is 1 and this is 7, so your answer is 17 in BCD format you can say. So this is the example number 1. Let us try to solve example number 2, in which you need to add 82 decimal plus 52 decimal. Now we will perform the simple addition and the answer will be 2 plus 2 4, 8 plus 5 13. So answer will be 134 in decimal format. Now let us try to solve this into BCD. So I will write down 82 and 52 in packed BCD format. Packed BCD format means what? I will represent 8 separately, 2 separately, that will be comprised of 82, and same way I will do it with the 52. So this is 82 and this is 52. So I will add these numbers by simple binary addition. So the addition will be 1 plus 1 is 0, carry generated here is 1, so 1 plus 0 is 1, again this will be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. But if you will see carefully, the leftmost group is a invalid BCD, so this is invalid. Since this is a invalid BCD, I will add 6 to this group, and the group which is towards my left, it's a valid BCD code, so I will not touch that group. So simply add 6 to the group which is at left, that is showing you the number 8 plus 4 12 and 1 13. It is showing the number 13, which is the invalid BCD. So let us add 6 to it. So first group will be taken as it is, and simple addition performed here. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry generated here is 1. Again this carry generated 1 plus the number 1, it will be 0 here, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 plus 1 carry generated, that will be taken here and this is the newest carry or the leftmost carry, so you need to keep it as it is and form the another group of BCD number by padding it by 30. So you will get group of 3 each of 4 bits, and hence the number will be, this will be in the BCD format, this will be 1, this will be 3, and this will be 4. So your answer is 134, and here the answer you can call it as in BCD format. So this is all about your BCD arithmetic. Follow this simple 4 rules and you will be fine with the addition of BCD numbers.